You say you're just busy lately, but your eyes on me, mine safely. And every time it starts to glow, you pull it close like I won't know. I hate how I can feel the shift in the way you hold your lips. You laugh a little, then you freeze, like that smile wasn't meant for me. There's another name on your phone, and I'm suddenly alone, even when you're right beside me. We used to be at home, now I'm standing in the cold, watching you slide away quietly. Say it straight, don't leave me guessing true, 'cause there's another name on your phone, and it's breaking me in two. Another name on your phone. You dress a little sharper now. You leave the house without a sound. You call it work or just a friend, but your story never ends. I catch a glow inside your eyes that I don't recognize as mine. And I'm trying not to accuse, but I can feel what I'm about to lose. It's in the distance in your touch, like I'm too close but not enough. Yeah. We used to speak in simple promises, late night plans and reckless kisses. Your hand would reach for mine like home, like I was never alone. But lately you've been hard to hold. Your warmth is there but it feels cold. You're smiling at your phone again, and I can tell it's not a friend. 'Cause the air gets tense when I ask who's that. You change the subject, you laugh it back. And I'm not crazy, I'm just seeing proof in everything you do. When us became them, I felt my heart break all over again. We were a promise, we were a plan. Now I'm just a maybe in your hands. I don't know your face, but I feel their touch in the distance where you used to love. When us became them, you turned my forever into an end. Became them, not the same. Tell me why. When us became them, you dress a little sharper lately, leave the house a little maybe. You say you're tired, say you're stressed, but you don't look tired when you text. I catch you hiding little smiles, like secret words behind your eyes. And I keep trying to stay calm, but I'm shaking in my arms. I can feel the missing pieces, love that changes reasons. You hold me but you're halfway gone, like I'm holding on alone. When us became them, I felt my heart break all over again. We were a promise, we were a plan. Now I'm just a maybe in Was I too steady? Did that feel slow? So you look for a different glow. I gave you my patience, gave you my trust, while you were building a second us. And now I'm standing in the remains of a love you rearranged. Just be honest. When us became them, when the two like a simple truth, two hearts beating in one. Your jacket on my shoulders, your fingers pulling me closer. But lately you've been hard to leave, half here, half out, half leaving me. You say I'm overthinking, but I feel what you're not saying. Your smile doesn't land on me the same, and I keep losing you in the space between. I'm finding what you hide. I can see it in your eyes. Left time dancing free, somebody's standing in between. We used to be a harmony, now there's a new melody. I don't know your face, don't know the name, but I feel them in the way you change. Love turning into free, and I'm the one who bleeds. Turning into free, in between, saying true. Turning into free. You fall like that, you flip it down, like I'm nasty, can't stick around. You laugh at something you won't share, then tell me I'm not being fair. You dress a little sharper lately, leave a little soon to call it crazy. And I'm trying not to accuse, but your silence feels like glue. 'Cause I can feel it in your toes, like I'm too close but not enough. You kiss my forehead like goodbye, then swear you're still alive. Left turn into fear, somebody's standing in between. We used to be a harmony, now there's a new melody. I don't know the face, don't know the name, but I feel them in the way you change. Left turning into free, and I'm the one who bleeds. So tell me, was it sudden, was it slow? Did it start as just a friend you couldn't let go? Did you reach for something easy while I was still bleeding? I gave you my patience, gave you my best, while you gave your heart and a second address. And now I'm holding on to us like it's dust. Just tell me the truth. like it's a memory, not something you still need. There's a space you made right between our words and the promises we gave. I can feel it growing every time you look away, like someone standing where I used to stay. We used to be so close, now I'm watching you fade. There's a space you made, and it's breaking me in waves. A space you made. Look away, tell me why. There's a space you made. Your phone lights up and you turn it over, like my love is something you hide from. You say you're busy, say it's nothing new, but I can hear a different tone in you. You laugh a little softer, leave a little quicker, dress a little sharper, heart a little distant. And I'm trying not to accuse, but your silence feels like proof. 'Cause I can feel the missing parts, the empty space inside your arms. You're here but not the same, and I can't unsee the change. There's a space you made right between our words and the promises we gave. I can feel it growing every time you look away, like someone standing where I used to stay. We used to be so close, now I'm watching you fade. There's a space you made, and it's breaking me in waves. So tell me, was it sudden or slow? Did you fall, or did you choose to go? Did you miss the way we were, or did you want a love that hurt less? I gave you my patience, gave you my best, or you give your heart somewhere else to rest. And now I'm holding on to us like it's dust. Oh, just be honest. There's a space you made, and I won't keep fighting where I'm not being safe. If your love is leaving, I won't beg you to stay. I'll let the truth be what it became. We used to be so close, now I'm walking away from the space you made. Before it takes my whole heart away, the space you made. Walking away, say it straight. There's a space you made. We used to talk like nothing could break us. Late night promises, little jokes that saved us. Your hand was home, your eyes were sure, like us was something built to endure. But lately you've been at somewhere else, smiling at your phone like you're by yourself. I ask you what's on your mind, you say nothing, but I hear the lie. And the room feels colder when you walk in, like I'm not the place you've been. Your touch is careful, not the same, like you're holding back my name. There's dressing up for no occasion, leaving early with a brand new patience. You laugh at texts you won't explain, like I'm not allowed to know the name. I notice little shifts in you, how you pull away when I reach for truth. I'm trying not to overthink things, but your silence makes me sink, and I can feel it in the spaces, in the way you're changing places. You're here but not with me, and it's killing me quietly. There's a stranger in our story, even when it's only you and me. A shadow in the sentences, a missing piece of honesty. We used to be the whole thing, now I'm reading in between. There's a stranger in our story, and it's changing everything. So tell me, did you mean to let it happen? Was it one small moment turning into habits? Did you look for something new while I was still choosing you? I gave you my time, I gave you my trust, but now I'm holding what's left of us. And I don't even hate the other face, I hate the way you made them take my place. Just say the truth. There's a stage out in the story, and I can't pretend it's not real. A crack inside the promise, a wound I didn't choose to feel. We used to be the whole thing, now I'm learning how to breathe. If there's a stranger in our story, I won't beg you to choose me. A story. Let it go. Say it straight. There's a stranger in our story. We used to talk like midnight, never ended. Laughing in the kitchen, never sleeping, still pretending that forever was a simple thing to keep. Now you're here, but you're a million miles from me. Your eyes don't land the way they used to. Your hand feels careful, like it's got something to prove. And every time your phone lights up, you turn away, like I will notice what you won't say. And I hate how I can feel it in the air, like a stranger sitting in your empty chair. You say it's nothing, but your silence feels like truth, and I'm breaking just watching you. There's someone new between us, even when it's only you and me. A shadow on your shoulder, a distance where our love should be. We used to be a straight line, now it's bending out of trust. There's someone new between us, and it's tearing up what's left of us. Between us, can't breathe. Tell me why there's someone new between us. You've been dressing up for nothing special, saying you're just tired, but you never really settle. You laugh at texts you won't explain, like I'm too close and not enough. You're here, but you're elsewhere, and it's cruel. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. There's someone new between us, even when it's only you and me. A shadow on your shoulder, a distance where our love should be. We used to be a straight line, now it's bending out of trust. There's someone new between us, and it's tearing up what's left of us. So tell me, did you fall or did you run? Did you miss the way we were? Did you want someone to make you feel brand new without the work? While I was still building, you were leaving piece by piece. It hurts. I gave you my patience, I gave you my best, but you gave your heart a side address. And now I'm standing at the door of us, wondering when love became too much. Just say it. There's someone new between us, and I can't pretend I don't see a crack inside the promise, a goodbye hiding quietly. We used to be a safe place, now I'm learning how to trust myself enough to walk away. If there's someone new between us, between us, let it go. Say the truth. There's someone new between us. We used to fit like puzzle pieces, late night talks and little secrets. Your hand in mine, your eyes on me, like nothing else could ever be. But lately you've been somewhere else, smiling at your phone to yourself. I ask you what's on your mind, you say nothing, but I feel the light. And the air feels different when you're walking, like I'm not the place you've been. There's a distance in your touch, and it's hurting way too much. Now there's a third heart in our room, a shadow dancing with your truth. I can't see their face, but I feel their name in the way you've changed. We used to be a perfect start, now I'm loving you in the dark. 'Cause there's a third heart where there used to be just stars. Oh, third heart in the dark. Tell me why there's a third heart. You swear you're just busy lately, but your silence doesn't save me. I notice how you dress it more, how you lock your screen by the door. I hear a new laugh in your stories, a friend you mentioned fast and blurry. And I'm trying not to assume, but the truth is filling up the room. I can feel it in the spaces, in the missing little traces. You're here but not with me, and I'm drowning quietly. Now there's a third heart in our room, a shadow dancing with your truth. I can't see their face, but I feel their name in the way you've changed. We used to be a perfect start. Now I'm loving you in the dark, 'cause there's a third heart where there used to be just stars. Tell me, did you mean to let it happen? Was I too calm? Were we too fragile? Did you look for something missing while I was still believing? I gave you all my best, you gave me half a breath. Now I'm picking up the pieces of a love you're slowly leaving.